your head up. That's a girl.
Walking it sideways.
Good. Side. Together. Whoa, where are you going? Side. You gotta bring your body this way, girly girl. One more. Side step to the left. Good. Now we're gonna walk backwards.
Yes, you like backwards.
Good. Keep going. Backwards walking. Gotta take steps.
Go backwards,
Walk
Chloe.
backwards.
There you go.
Keep going.
You look like you're doing the moonwalk.
For sure. Big step. Big step. Good. Now, Chloe, you're against the wall. Now, I want you to stand up nice and tall against that wall. Straighten out your feet. Now, try to get your shoulders back against